In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain and hosting from Bluehost. So whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business website, Bluehost makes it easy to get started. I'll explain each step and the entire process from choosing a domain to setting up your hosting plan. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Bluehost. And now, you will see there the Get Started button, and just simply click on that, and it will direct you to a Bluehost offers different hosting plans. So you will see there a basic plan, plus or choice plan, and a pro plan. So select the plan that fits your needs and then click select. Now on the next page, you have two options. You can create a new domain or use an existing domain. After that, click next to continue, and then enter your name, email, and billing details to create your Bluehost account. Make sure to use an email you have access to, as a host will send important account details there. After that, choose the billing cycle. It could be 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. Bluehost may offer additional features like domain privacy protection, site lock security, code card, and so on. You can select or uncheck this based on your needs. After that, you can now enter your payment information. You can add your credit or debit card details or select an alternative payment method and then click submit to complete the purchase. After that, after payment, Bluehost will send a confirmation email. You can log into your Bluehost dashboard to start setting up your website. If you selected WordPress hosting, Bluehost will automatically install WordPress for you. So in your Bluehost dashboard, you can see there the manage your domain settings, set up email settings, and install WordPress or the other CMS platforms, and access cPanel to manage your website files. And that's it. That's how you buy a domain and hosting from Bluehost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.